Okay, dear friends, after the introduction, I believe everyone have a deeper understanding of our products. Now let's move to the next area. Do you know the product beside us is the K828 is so popular in the market. It's the best selling for folding arm crane and it's the flagship word of the SUNHUNK Crane. So what makes this product so popular in markets? I believe it must have its unique features. So Mr. Tang, could you provide us with more detailed introduction with us?
Okay, host. Dear crane fans, we are now in front of K828, which is the star product of SUNHUNK Folding Arm Crane. In the early stage of design, we conducted a lot of market research, visited major folding arm crane application markets and users across the country. And then we combined with the advanced European design. And finally, we developed this product with higher safety and reliability. After 4 years of market experience and continuous improvement based on consumers' habits, K828 has become the first choice for many crane enthusiasts when purchasing knucklebone crane. Host.
Okay, thank you so much for your introduction. You know, I'm totally agree with you. Only from the perspective of the users can we design a good product that truly meets their needs and satisfy them. So I have a question for you. What industry and customers is this K828 toiler made for?
Yeah, our K828 is a 17-ton knucklebone crane, which is what we often call a 35-ton crane. It can lift 18 tons at 4 meters. The maximum lifting height is 23 meters, and the forearm is 20.45 meters. It's the longest full folding arm truck-mounted crane in China. Second, it can be used in various working conditions, like the combination with forklifts to carry equipment in factories, outdoor platforms to carry heavy goods upstairs and into windows, the transportation of steel pipe piles on construction sites, the transportation of large items, and the transportation of large items in long distance, the transportation of prefabricated buildings, the installation of outdoor curtain wall glasses, and so on. Host.
Okay, thank you so much for your sharing. Well, just now you introduced the basic application to us, but I know our handy friends also care about another topic, another point is that technology. So could you share more details with us?
Okay, host. First of all, our K828 crane has a compact structure and lightweight. The weight of the whole crane is 8.4 tons. The whole vehicle installed on a 8x4 chassis is 12 meters long and 3.8 meters high and 2.55 meters wide. The cargo box size can reach 8 meters long and 2.45 meters wide, and the height of the sideboard is 0.6 meters. The weight of the whole vehicle is about 22 tons, and it has a strong cargo carrying capacity. Secondly, our K828 crane is also equipped with a large torque imported double swing reducer, which makes our crane more stable and more precise. When you work indoors, it has millimeter level micro motion. When you are outdoors, slow operation, it can slow more powerful. Host. And third, our crane is also equipped with a torque limiting module, which makes the hosting operation more safer. First, you can choose the expansion interfaces. First, you can choose the imported spherical remote control and to achieve better macro motion operation, which is also more convenient and easy to operate and improve operational efficiency. Fifth, the crane has a wealth of expansion interfaces, which can be matched to various auxiliary tools such as grabber buckets, drill rods, pallet forks, and hanging baskets, and so on, to achieve efficient operation in the fields of efficient operation in the fields of stone transportation, glass installation, and scrap steel recycling.
Okay, thank you so much for your sharing. Well, from the Mr. Tang introduction, I believe everyone with me understand why this product is so popular in the market, because it's safer, more reliable, and it meets customers' requirements. So no wonder he is so popular in the market. Well, so how does this product perform in the practical applications? Could you share more practical application case with our audience?
Of course, host. I will share the first working condition with our friends. It's send the 4 tons of equipment to the 5th floor. Please look at the kitty board. Crane friends can pay special attention to the load-bearing telescopic capacity of K828. It can achieve 100% just because the folding arm is directly pushed by the cylinder.
Yeah.
So the load-bearing telescopic capacity is much stronger than the stiff bone crane. Next is the installation of a 20-ton grantee machine tool. Next is the installation of a 20-ton grantee machine tool completely by a customer in Guangdong region with limited factory space. Please look at the kitty board. The whole process fully demonstrated the excellent lifting performance of our folding arm in a small space. The installation and the positioning of various equipment in a factory like this are basically done by folding arm cranes. Because you know it cannot be done by the stiff bone crane. Yeah. Similarly, our third working condition is the boss of Mr. Wang in Nemeng area. Also used our K828 to complete the installation of a 6-ton object in the factory. This reflects the advantages and negative angle. This operation host.
Okay, thank you so much for your introduction. Well,